Hello everyone, my name is José Augusto Rizental. I'm 40 years old. I'm from Brazil. I live in the US. And I would like to share my experience about my hair transplant with you. I did my transplant at Clinicana in the beginning of the November, in the first week of November. It's completed now 6 months. You guys can see the volume, the density in my hair. I had the problem that I had was with I had two increase here in the front of my hair and a lack of my hair in the back, and I didn't have the density and the volume in my hair. My father was bald, and when I started to think about doing my hair transplant, I talked with some friends. I have some doctor friends from Brazil, and they suggested to me, Gusto, when you want to do your hair transplant, go to Turkey, and there is the best place. The guys has more experience in the world to do that, and I liked the idea to go to Turkey to do it, and I went. But before I after it, I'm very critical and technical person. Normally, I want to know everything before I buy something like that. And I started doing research on the internet, calling clinics, exchanging emails, and seeing reviews. I really like seeing reviews and what is another people tell about the process or about the product. But yeah, I like. And I decide in the end, I decided to do it with Clinicana. I don't regret any time. And when I went to Turkey, I talked with the doctor again. He explained again to me what they could do and about the volume, the density, exactly the places that they will put a hair. And I asked many points, yes, and the result was exactly what we agreed on. And now I'm surprised with the result. I'm very happy with the final result, and I thank you, Clinicana. I think that's very important to choose a good clinic to do that. And my hair got a volume and density, like you can see the camera is good. Yeah. And don't about the translator, don't worry about the language. They are translators who will help you with everything. The guy, my translator, was very nice guy. He is very nice guy. He helped me to go to the pharmacy to buy some medications and after the surgery, and they help you a lot. They are very polite persons, and the guy was taking me at the airport, taking me to the hotel and everything. And if you have the chance, this is a personal suggestion. And if you have the chance, go to 2 or 3 days before to visit Turkey. I Istanbul. I like the food is really good, and I think that is all. And I hope it help you to your decision. And thank you guys. Bye bye.